Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Kiborsen sha jong Ribhoi district, hakshitrik no pra arzar arpuar. Kalaya soy yung Memorandum of Understanding bat ka Selco Foundation nagabanta bantay ki Health Sub Center kalkum ka jukstan bamenta ki ban sya akta lada wan ki jingling shop na ki bor ka maryang kalkum ka jingya soy yung ni ka dular jingya snutu jingmut ka Selco Foundation kan Shna pratri ki Kamra Pynkha Khun lani ki labor and delivery room haki Health Sub Center ki padan sya ki Shnong Nongkandong jong Ribhoi district bat penyangru yung solar energy climate resilient kiban sakta hakapor ba Pynkha Khun bat ban pinklan ya jing sumar bakarpang nakabenta ki khnaret yakani ka MOU laya soy hapreng u deputy commissioner jong Ribhoi district u arpet upadaya bat ka director jong Selco Foundation ka Huda Jaffer hakabala sakhilang do additional deputy commissioner uba M Tongper u district medical and health officer u Dr P Karnari ka additional district medical and health officer ka Dr B Bla bat kinong mikmat naka Sierra Leone, Ethiopia, bat Burkina Faso.
Like 80 to 85% of our centers solarized. We have like solar boxes in the labor room or delivery rooms, so that we use that to electrify the room just for lighting, charging of small appliances like the fetoscope and maybe headlights for the nurses or the midwives doing deliveries. So basically, that's what we have in.
Learn from each other's experiences also. So that is one.
Selco has the great mission to solar powered with energy efficiency and sustainable built environment for about 25 health centers in India by 2026. In this direction, we have been working with Government of Meghalaya for the last 2 to 3 years, and we have solar powered in partnership with the Government of Meghalaya about 186 health centers, and Ribhoi becomes one district where all the health centers have been solar powered with energy efficient equipments. And now today we signed an MOU with the district administration of Ribhoi to design and construct about 8 delivery rooms. And in addition to that, we also have a partnership with the NHM at state level to build about 74 health centers in Meghalaya which are climate resilient. So by 2023 we are aiming to along with the partnership of government invested by the government to solar power all the health centers of Meghalaya.
I am very happy to announce that today we have signed one MOU with Selco Foundation. The MOU is regarding creating new maternal homes, maternal wards in our sub-centers. So these are the areas which are quite remote and condition in which the sub-centers condition is quite bad. So now after this MOU, Selco has already made designs which are climate resilient, inclusive designs for a good maternity ward. And after that we hope that it will definitely going to improve the health indicators and going to improve our institutional delivery in Ribhoi district. So this is in line with the aspirational district program of Niti Aayog, and we are quite happy to have Selco Foundation with as a partner in us in our development and for the development of the Ribhoi district.